Hi everyone, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I have another Diamond Art Club unboxing. I ordered these two, I think it was the day after the buy one get one ended. Maybe, I'm not sure exactly, but I know there was a 20% off code and I really wanted these. So I just went ahead and ordered them because I did get my tax return this month, so I do have a little bit of money, but not anymore because I do have another unboxing coming up. So let's get into this. I have two diamond paintings, as you can see, and they sent another $10 off card. The packing slip that they always send. And I'm going to open this one first. It's the smaller-ish of the two. They're both pretty big. I've wanted this one since I saw it on their website, and it was actually on their website before it was actually available, which is, it was not on their website, on their Facebook group before it was available. And it is this one, Forever in My Heart, the Angel Baby one from Diamond, from that's by Mandy Manzano. Inside I have the canvas, the diamonds, and it looks like I have a popped bag, so I probably won't open these if I can find the AB ones, because this is supposed to be square with AB. And oh no, they're falling over. Guess I'll have to open them to keep them from coming out anymore. But I'll do that off camera. I think if I remember correctly, there's that white one in there. I think that's the only AB. I'm not positive. I'm just gonna put these in a tray that I have. And then Diamond Art Club. I got the standard toolkit, a blue pen, a squishy, a few bags, a 3-placer, and 2 pieces of heart wax. And as you can see, the colors are mostly neutral, so I just don't want to open this and have them go everywhere. And then they're even stuck to the plastic. Ooh. Ooh, I really like this one. And they have their 9 steps to diamond painting. And the pretty angel baby. Sorry about the glare. And this one is I believe it's a 50 by 70. yeah. And there is only one AB, so it's that white AB. And it is very sticky. And the symbols, as usual for Diamond Art Club, are extremely clear. So I'm going to put the canvas for this one away, but deal with the diamonds after I'm done. Because they're kind of everywhere. Most of them are square, but there's a weird round row on here. And I have another one. This one I've been wanting ever since I saw it come out as well. And I've seen quite a few people unbox it, so where'd that will go? It's a really big one, so probably won't get to this one for a while because I have a lot of other ones I need to get to. And I need to do a review, a post review on the Mandy Manzano, What Child Is This Still? If I can ever get good lighting in my bedroom because it's huge. And this one is Sea Buddies, or Sea Melody. I keep calling it Sea Buddies, I don't know why. By Mandy Manzano. And it is a 55 by 98, and it is square with AB. And then inside you have the normal toolkit. In this one, the diamonds come in 2 separate ones, which I've been seeing with the newer ones. I didn't know they did it with this one. I know I've seen it with the releases that just came out last weekend. And there's a lot of blacks because of Mandy Manzano, and a lot of greens and pinks and reds and all different colors. I just don't want to open it because of the one that I have with diamonds everywhere. And it looks like that is the AB. It's an orange-ish AB. And I don't know if there's another one. I don't know, but I'll let you know when I look at the canvas. And it is not the new bag that some people are getting with the opaque. Sorry. It's not the opaque bag that some people have gotten with the latest release of Diamond Art Club. Oh, I love this one. And it comes with the 9 steps to diamond painting. It does not have a schematic, but that's okay. It is huge. The colors, looks like there is one AB, and there's only one AB, but that's okay. It's that yellowish orange. And the glue is, as usual, very sticky. And the symbols are, I don't know if you can see it, if I do it this end, are very clear. So I look forward to working on this one. And these two are the ones that I ordered, once again, separately after the buy one get one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.